We're having a little pizza party picnic.
Welcome to our slam poetry night.
Highlighters, bronzers and blushes, all clothes that companies and brands have sent me. A lot of media rooms don't have these. Hello my friends, welcome back to another vlog. This is my filming room, or what will be my filming room. I kind of want to call it my office because it's going to be my filming room slash study because I'm at uni. So this is what this room will be once it's sorted out, but right now it's just kind of like all my things that are supposed to be in here are just chucked in here, so I need to sort that out. This vlog will just be me and Georgio setting up my filming room. And if you've seen this outfit before, it's because I'm filming this on the same day as I'm filming another vlog, but I thought this would be its own vlog in itself because why not? So come on in. Actually, you're gonna stay there, so just kidding. So basically what I want is I want my actual study desk to be here, and then that's going to be my filming setup. Is move that further that way, the rack there, and then have the thing here. I eventually just put like a little chair.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now
So we're getting pizza. Which pizza are you getting, Georgia?
Cheese.
Cheese. I'm getting ham and cheese and adding pineapple to make it Hawaiian on a budget. Oh, we're taking a break from the filming setup. I've pretty much finished anyway, but I'll show you guys the final product. Well, it's not even final because there's still a few things I need to get, but it's more final than it was. We're having a little pizza party picnic. We have a cheese pizza and a vanilla thick shake. We have a budget Hawaiian pizza and we have a frozen mango and we have my best friend and we're gonna have a little pizza party picnic.
Pepsi bottle, Coca-Cola glass, I don't give a damn. Welcome to our slam poetry night. We're currently reading from the Quality
Milk and Vine. Solid 8 out of 10.
Woohoo!
When there's too much drama at school, all you're gonna do is walk away. Yay, yay. Adderall, a glass of whiskey, and diesel jeans. I'm in my mom's car. Vroom, vroom. Get out of my car. Aww.
Hello my friends, it is actually like almost a week maybe after I filmed the other half of this video, but I just edited it and I realized that I never showed you like what the final product of this room was. So I'm going to show you now. It's still not completely finished, there's still a few things that I want to do, and I may do an updated tour once I've got everything exactly how I want it in like a month or two or something like that. I don't really know yet, but for now I thought I'd show you the progress of this room and what it looks like now. So let's have a little tour of my studio slash filming room slash, I don't know what to call it. What do you guys think is the best name for this room? Studio, filming room, office, or study? I don't really know because it's kind of all of those things. So let me take you on a little tour of my little space I've got here. So at the front here we have the sliding doors, which are honestly so handy. A lot of media rooms don't have these, but when you open up these doors, this is what you see. So I'll start on this side. This is kind of like my study side of the room. So here I just have my handbags, which is really great because when I come home from work or wherever I've been, I can just chuck my bag down, chuck my keys in my little pot here, which may change honestly, and do whatever else I need to do. But this is kind of full of stationery. So in the top drawer I have like pens and highlighters and stuff. Then I have cards and sticky notes. Down here I just have a folder with important documents and some plastic sleeves underneath. Then we just have paper for the printer. Then I have some like nice writing paper for my calligraphy, and then I have some writing paper. Then down here is just booklets and things for uni. Over here I have some tools because I don't know where to keep my tools, but I have them, so I need a place to put them. And then I just have envelopes and my little index cards for studying. In this one here, it's just kind of random right now. Pencil cases, glasses cases, I don't really know, some bullet journaling stuff. And then in the top one here is like nothing right now, it's just some command hooks. So yeah. Then we have my desk, and this is my study desk. So over here I have my semester 1 calendar and my semester 1 assessment little thing. This is the controller for my electronic shutters, but right now they don't work, which is really frustrating. We have to get maintenance in to fix that, but right now they don't work, so sorry about the lighting in here. It's kind of not the nicest right now. But then I've just got pens, obviously. Down in the corner here I just have a bin and some like wrapping paper and stuff like that. I have my planner, my laptop, and then over here I just have like my Bible, some notebooks, my bullet journal, my study notes, and then a fake plant. I don't know if this is gonna stay here, but whatever. Then down here is just like a little bag full of like home decor and like picture frames and stuff that I haven't hung up yet because I can't really hang up a lot of stuff here because it's a rental. Then on this wall I have this beautiful poster that my mum gave me. I think it was for Christmas. I literally just put this up, so it's a little bit like not exactly how I want it, but it's really cute. You can read it if you want, but it's just lyrics to a song and it's so beautiful, and my mum is great. I love her so much. Then down here we have the printer. I want to get an extension cord and put it on top of this little unit here, but right now it's just here with a couple of chargers and things. And then following it around I have my filming desk. So right now I only have one of my lights on. I really don't need that on right now, to be honest. But I have my makeup brushes, some tissues, a mirror, my palettes. Then I just have all of my makeup. So this is what the top drawer looks like. Foundations, concealers, mascara, brow stuff, and other little bits and pieces, lashes, and then beauty blenders and their cases. Second drawer looks like this. I have powders, highlighters, bronzers, and blushes. Then I have this drawer here. This like little container does not fit in really well, but it's okay. I have lip liners, lip glosses, lipsticks, little eyeshadow palettes, and little like single eyeshadows, and then just some setting sprays at the back there. And then in here I just have a camera equipment, and then down the bottom here I have my cat ears, which I wear when I'm putting on my makeup, and then just random little things like nail polish and travel hairbrushes and, you know, things like Panadol, you know, just little bits and pieces that I don't know where to put. Over here, this is stuff that I'm filming with soon. Over here is just some pillows. Then we have my filming background, which will probably change, but I haven't really figured it out yet. But this is just the classic Rachel Catherine background, which you see in a lot of my videos. Then next to that, I have this clothing rack, which I got from IKEA, which you'll see me get in a future vlog maybe. I can't even remember when I get it, but you'll see it soon. So this is kind of like seeing from the future. But here is just either clothes that I've recently bought and want to wear, or clothes that companies and brands have sent me, because I'm so incredibly blessed to be sent quite a few clothes, and often I have to film with them or take photos with them and stuff. So I hang them here until I've done what I need to do with them, and then I take them to my wardrobe, just so I don't lose them or forget about them or anything like that. It's just like a constant reminder. And then here I have some shoes that I either just bought or they're going to be in a video or something like that. That little bag there is filled with stuff that's going to be in a video very soon. And then I just have my full-length mirror, which is from Kmart, because I had a few people asking me about that. But this is my filming room slash study slash whatever you want to call it. Also, there is that huge TV on the wall, but I don't think I'll ever use that because I just don't watch TV, and especially like with the layout of this room, I don't even know how you would watch TV. But yeah, that's my space I've got here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Goodbye.